Juanita, Jack, Natalie, Diego.
Oh, hola, nuevos amigos. I was just looking at this dictionary. It has any word you can think of in it. And it has the letters in order of the alphabet. But do you know what else it has? It has words in Spanish, and it tells you how to pronounce the letters of the alphabet in Spanish. Isn't that exciting? I'm glad I found it in the school library. You should visit your school library to see if it has one too. I've learned so much already just looking through this book. Do you want to hear some of the words I've learned? I learned that tree is árbol in Spanish. Árbol. Elephant is elefante. Elefante. The lizard iguana is almost the same in Spanish. Iguana. Iguana. Gold in Spanish is oro. Oro, like in the gold coins we counted the other day. And unicorn in Spanish is also very much like the word in English. Unicornio. Unicornio.
Hola, Juanita. ¿Cómo estás hoy? What are you doing here?
Estoy muy bien. I was just looking at this big dictionary that has words in English and Spanish, and I was learning with our Nuevos Amigos some new words and vowel sounds in Spanish. Do you know these words?
I have seen them before, but I wasn't sure how to pronounce them. Can you teach me how to say them?
Of course. It's easier if you learn the sound of each of the vowels. They are las vocales, the vowels, and they are pronounced a, e, I, o, u. So now you can learn how to say the words. A is for árbol, árbol. E is for elefante, elefante. I is for iguana, and O is for oro. U is for unicornio.
Thanks, Juanita. Now I'll remember them. Do you think you can remember them, Nuevos Amigos? Let's repeat them again with Juanita. And don't forget to write them in your journals.
Ready? A is for árbol. E is for elefante. I is for iguana. O is for oro. U is for unicornio. Very good, Nuevos Amigos. Zach, it's time for class. Let's go so we won't be late.
Jorge Manrique dice que cualquier tiempo pasado es mejor. Oh, hola, nuevos amigos. It's so nice to see you again. I was just reading this interesting book. You know, I love words, and I love the way the letters sound when you put them together to make the words, especially in Spanish and Español. Today we are going to learn about the alphabet. Yes, I know you know the alphabet in English already, but let's learn the Spanish alphabet together. Muy bien, increíble. But first, I think we should do the Nuevos Amigos cheer. So get up and get ready to cheer.
N-U-E-V-O-S A-M-I-G-O-S. Nuevos amigos, ra, ra, ra.
That was wonderful, Nuevos Amigos. It always makes me feel good to do the cheer. Now let's learn the alphabet. Oh, I wonder who that is. Come in. Hola, Diego.
Hola.
You came in just in time to help us learn the alphabet in Spanish.
That's great, Senorita Garcia. I was just coming to see if there was anything I could help you with. Oh, hola, nuevos amigos. It's nice to see you again.
This This is very exciting, Diego. So let's get started. We already know the vowels, las vocales, which are, that's right, a, e, I, O, U. I know what that sound means. It means it's time to learn the verb for the day. Let's see what it is. Oh, well, isn't this interesting? Our verb for the day is aprender, which means to learn. Let's say it together, Nuevos Amigos. Aprender. Aprender. To learn.
A, E, I, O, U. Yo soy el gigante y ¿cómo estás tú?
Estoy muy bien, gigante. You're just in time to help us with the verb for the day. We're learning the verb aprender, to learn.
Oh, I know that verb. I always like to learn, aprender new things.
Will you use it in a sentence for us, por favor?
Yes, of course, Señorita Garcia. Listen carefully. And don't forget to write it down in your notebooks. Me gusta aprender las vocales. I like to learn the vowels. Can you say that with me, Nuevos Amigos? Me gusta
Me gusta
aprender
aprender
las vocales.
las vocales.
I like to learn the vowels.
Thank you, gigante. We all like to learn. Until next time, hasta luego. Adiós.
Adiós. Hasta la próxima.
Well, Diego, it's time to learn or aprender the letters of the alphabet.
That would be great, Señorita Garcia. But first, can we do the theme song? It always puts me in the mood to learn. Aprender.
Me gusta aprender las vocales. Me gusta aprender las vocales. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, cha cha cha. Me gusta aprender las vocales. Me gusta aprender las vocales. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, cha cha cha.
Okay, Diego, we already know the first letter in the alphabet. That's right, A.
A.
Then comes B.
B.
Then C.
C.
Then comes a letter we don't have in the English alphabet. Do you know what that is?
Yes, Señorita Garcia. It's Che.
That's right, Diego. There are 4 letters in the Spanish alphabet that we don't have in English. The first one is Che.
Che.
The other 3 are Ella,
Ella.
Ñ,
Ñ.
and R.
R.
But let's continue with our alphabet. What comes after Che, Nuevos Amigos? That's right, De.
D.
Then comes E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H.
H.
That's the silent letter. E,
E.
J,
J.
K,
K.
and L.
L. Oh, I know what comes next, Señorita Garcia. Ella.
Very good, Diego. Then comes M.
M.
N
N.
and Ñ,
Ñ.
which looks like an N with a hat, but it's a letter all on its own. Then comes O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V.
W,
W.
X,
X.
Y,
Y.
y Z.
Z.
Bravo! Did you get that, Nuevos Amigos? Why don't we repeat them just to make sure? A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
C.
Ch,
Ch.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
L.
Y,
L.
M,
M.
N,
N.
Ñ,
Ñ.
O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
B,
V.
W,
W.
X,
X.
Y,
Y.
Z.
Z.
Oh, muy bien, nuevos amigos.
Beto, Beto, dime alfabeto.
A,
B.
C,
Ch.
D,
E.
F,
G.
H,
I.
J,
K.
L,
L.
M,
N.
Ñ,
O.
P,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
T.
U,
V.
W,
X.
Y,
Y. Z.
That was fun, Diego. You know what other song I know that will help you remember the vowels in Spanish? It goes like this. A, E, I, O, U. Arbolito de Perú. Yo tengo 8 años. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú?
That was great, Juanita. Let's go see if we can find any other songs in Spanish about the alphabet.
Okay.
It's time to spin the globe. Let's see where we land. Dale, 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 no pierdas el tino, mide la distancia que hay en el camino. Oh, nuevos amigos. We've landed on the lovely islands of San Blas in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Panama. It's very hot here. Oh, hace calor. But there is a nice wind. Hace un buen viento. We are here because I wanted to talk to you about the molas, or applique pictures, that are created by the Kuna Indians who live on the islands of San Blas. The Kuna Indians have been making molas for more than 100 years. Did you know that clothing can also be art? A mola is a colorful design made of different layers of brightly colored cotton cloth. Mola designs are often inspired by modern graphics, such as pictures from books and TV cartoons. But before TV existed, they were inspired by traditional themes in Kuna legends and culture. Geometric molas are the most traditional, having developed from ancient body painting designs. Many hours of careful sewing are required to create a fine mola. Don't forget, learning about other cultures helps you to better understand the world we live in. I had a great time in Panama, Nuevos Amigos. While I was there, I met some amigos. They were Cuna Indians, and they taught me how to make molas. Did you know that Cuna Indians start learning how to make molas at the age of 6 or 7 years old? I thought we could learn, or aprender, how to make our own mola. Are you ready? Did you say sí? Great! Increíble! These are the materials that you will need to make a mola. Tracing form patterns. A. Large pattern size of a turtle body. B. Medium pattern size of a turtle body. C. Small pattern size, the small body parts. Paper of different colors or wrapping paper. Glue and scissors. Choose a mola pattern and 3 pieces of paper the same size but of different colors. I have chosen the turtle as my shape for my mola, and I have used the 3 different colors, and I've traced the same figure, but one is larger than the other. On pattern A, we have the large size, and on pattern B, we have the medium size. Now what I do is I cut out the pattern just like this, following the outline. All right? Okay, so now I've cut out, here we have A and B. All right? Now, I have pattern C left. And I will cut out the head, the flippers, and the tail. And I'm going to finish cutting out the head right now because I'm going to use this head for my mola. So I just follow these dots, and you could say that's where the Cuna Indians sew their designs because they sew them by hand. All right, so now I've completed with my small body parts. Now what I'm going to do is glue. I'm going to glue my large pattern size, which is A, just like this with glue. Now remember that I have already chosen my 4th piece of paper, which is my background paper. All right, so I just glue the large pattern size, which is A. Now I glue B, which is the medium pattern size. And the brighter and the more contrasting color, that's what makes these molas pretty. Okay, and just glue it like this, one on top of the other. And now I will glue the body parts. So I have the head, and here we have the flippers. There we go. There we go. Very easy and fun. And if you'd like to cut out the designs along the shell, you can, just to give it more of a contrast. That's what we're looking for. Now here's a finished turtle right here. Here's the finished turtle for you. Now let's review the steps. Step 1, get all your materials together. Step 2, trace the patterns and cut out. Step 3, use background paper to layer your patterns and glue as you go along. The trick to making a mola is to have different sizes of the same shape and in different colors. I think it turned out great. Now you can make a mola for your mother or father, tu mamá o papá. And let's look at another example. Here we have a butterfly that you can make also. Muchas gracias, amigos. I hope you have a great time making your own mola. Well, Nuevos Amigos, we learned a lot today. We learned the vowels, las vocales, and the letters of the alphabet in Spanish. And we learned how to say to learn, aprender. That's a very important verb for all of us. We also aprendimos or learned about the Cuna Indians and the molas they make. thank you, Nuevos Amigos, for all of your hard work. Remember, when we learn a new language, we also make new friends. Adios!